Hi, my name is John Evans. I am a husband, a father, and aspiring woodworker. A few years ago, my passion for woodworking started out with my desire to design things on the computer with programs such as SketchUp and more recently Fusion 360. After designing many different items, I knew I needed to start building these items. It was also around this time that my wife and I bought our new property in the mountains of Virginia, and with this property came the space to put my workshop. So, the first order of business was to design my workshop. I spent many hours on the computer with many revisions before I came to a design that I liked. Now, time to build it. Being that my wife supports everything that I do, we went ahead and purchased most all of the materials. Once delivered, I spent the summer of 2017 building it, and let me tell you, I had a blast building it. It did present many challenges that I had to overcome working by myself, the largest being installing the roof panels and shingles. Not a big fan of heights. After it was pretty much complete, something truly amazing happened. My father-in-law gave me most all of his woodworking equipment. He is retiring and just didn't need them anymore. He gave me a bandsaw, jointer, planer, scroll saw, drill press, and a lathe, and many other small items as well, too many to list. So this leaves me where I currently am. My shop is basically done, powered, and ready to go. Sure, there are many things that I still need to do, like some finished painting, building assembly table, a miter station, and get the shop organized. This last one's killing me. But this too will all come in time. For now, I make simple projects for family members and complete finishing touches to the shop. The next few projects will be a sitting bench for my mother and a dog food stand for my buddy. I have dreams of making bigger and better items, but I realize with patience and learning, this too will come with time. So a message to everyone: if you have a passion for something, don't give up on it. Pursue it. You only live once. Thanks for watching.